Hello everyone. Today, OKE is excited to share a successful case from Ireland. Our client operates a cold storage facility for frozen food. They required racking that could maintain high stability at extremely low temperatures while maximizing space utilization and operational efficiency. Traditional racking designs often struggle to balance forklift operation space with storage capacity, leading to wasted resources and logistical bottlenecks. The client's cold storage dimensions were 27,000 mm L x 15,000 mm W x 6,300 mm H, primarily storing frozen food pallets weighing 1,000 kg each. Dimensions: 1,000 mm L x 1,200 mm W x 1,800 mm H. Under extreme conditions of -22°C, OKE designed a 3-tier drive-in racking system. With an optimized layout, the racking system increased the storage space utilization to 80% while ensuring ample forklift operation space. The highlights of this project are: 1. Customized design to optimize storage space. OKE accurately measured and arranged the layout to ensure forklifts can move freely while increasing storage density for the customer. We also provided professional design drawings. 2. Clear labels for easy installation. During the project, design adjustments required distinguishing between single and double upright legs. To simplify installation, we marked these differences clearly in the drawings, significantly improving on-site installation efficiency. 3. OKE's professional order-following team manages the entire project cycle, maintaining efficient communication with the customer. 4. A detailed parts checklist ensured easy inventory confirmation and nothing missing. During production, we shared photos of semi-finished and finished products, showing each stage of the process. We tested the racks for overall performance, including load capacity and assembly fit, and provided final product photos for customer confirmation and records. OKE implements a rigorous 5-step quality inspection process, spanning every stage from raw material selection to final container loading. Our expert team meticulously checks every detail to ensure the racks maintain stability and safety, even in low-temperature environments. Container loading is not just the final step of production but also crucial for safe transportation. Based on the product's size and weight and the container's dimensions, OKE designs a detailed loading plan to maximize space utilization while minimizing shipping costs. We document the entire loading process, taking clear photos to show the position and securing of each item. Our expert loading team, with over 12 years of experience, cross-checks the shipping list and container seal numbers post-loading, ensuring all items match the checklist. A complete delivery report is then provided to the customer. At OKE Storage, we don't just focus on product quality, we pay attention to every delivery detail. With OKE, your shipments arrive safely, efficiently, and worry-free.